Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Pra, a journey towards Sehat or Swat. Today's topic, intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, it's an eating pattern. It is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It mostly doesn't changes what you eat, it changes when you eat. Intermittent fasting is one of the world's most popular health and fitness trends. People are using it to lose weight, to improve their health and simplify their lifestyles. Many studies shows that it can have powerful effect on body and the brain and may even help you live longer. One of the most popular approaches of intermittent fasting is time restricted eating. The 16:8 method involves fasting every day for around 14 to 16 hours and restricting daily eating window to 8 to 10 hours. Another approach is 5:2, in which a normal healthy meal plan is followed for 5 days a week and the other 2 days a meal of around 500 to 700 calories has to be consumed per day. Now, coming on to the foods which are allowed in eating window and which has to be avoided and taken care of. The most important food groups to be included when practicing intermittent fasting are whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and animal proteins. When you do eat, it is recommended that you avoid processed meats, sugar, trans fats, and refined starches. Eating the wrong foods during meal times can counter the benefits of intermittent fasting. Drinking certain low or no calorie drinks is usually allowed when practicing intermittent fasting, and it's really important to always stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause headaches, fatigue, and dizziness, which would derail intermittent fasting pretty quickly. Now, I would like to highlight the pros and cons of intermittent fasting. Research suggests that intermittent fasting is associated with weight loss, reduced insulin resistance, lower risk of type 2 diabetes. It boosts metabolism, improves overall well-being, reduces stress, and it is easy to follow. The cons are the people may land up in overeating, constipation, hormone imbalances, may create or worsen eating disorders, reduced energy levels and focus in some cases. Intermittent fasting shines because it's remarkably easy to implement once you get the idea that you need to eat all the time. The reason most diets fail is because we don't follow the diet over the long term. It's not a diet problem, it's a behavioral change problem. Perhaps most importantly, intermittent fasting is the simplest strategies to take off the bad weight. Bad weight means fat loss. It is proven that intermittent fasting results in fat loss rather than muscle loss, and it requires very little behavioral change. According to me, in earlier times, people used to follow a pattern of eating which is more similar to this intermittent fasting. And the result was they were leading a good, healthy life and used to live longer. I hope this session of mine will benefit you all in one or the other way. So, this was all about intermittent fasting. If you have any queries or you want any information regarding this diet, you can contact me on my email address. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my channel. Stay connected. Thank you.